Biscayne gone. It's gone to the paint shop. Still got the frame right here. Dad doing a little work on the trunk. Stripping the old paint off it. What's up, guys? Give y'all a quick update on the Biscayne. If y'all remember on the last video, the bottom of the trunk was gray. I thought he was done with it, but actually that was the first coat of primer that he put on, a special primer that sticks to bare metal. And after that, a lot of work then went into this trunk. He did some body work on it, had to fill in a few spots, primed it one time, came back, saw a couple more spots that he wanted to catch, primed it, did some more body work, primed it again. So now it's about ready for the paint man to take it and finish it up. Got the black prime on it so it'll show up the spots a little better. The bottom side of it, strip all the paint off and strip it down to the bare metal. And see, find spots like this that you can fix and prime it and get it ready to send it over to the paint man and get it painted too. In the meantime, the paint man got that car. He's working on doing the body work on the rear quarter panels. So we had to cut them off and replace them. So work continues. Still got a lot of work to do, but a lot has been done. Stay tuned. Still working on the hood, trying to get it ready to prime it and paint it. Marking some of the spots where it had some potential rust under the bracing to make sure get those sanded and coated with rust inhibitor. Good to prevent it from rusting in the future. But y'all stay tuned.